Let's go. We back with another one. Boss up, baby. We got the medical courier positions for you guys, what you guys been looking for. Ones you can start with your regular car, your four-door sedan, small vehicle, pickup truck, or even cargo van. Whatever you got, you can get rolling with this company. They're nationwide, hiring drivers, delivery, couriers, all that good stuff. Let's get into the company. Without further ado, no long talk, no long intro. Wow. Guardian Pharmacy Services. Yes, this is a pharmacy instead of an actual logistics company. This is an actual pharmacy who is hiring drivers. So you get in at the ground floor. This is a new technique for you guys. I want you guys to try actually reaching out to pharmacies and lab techs. A lot of these pharmacies and a lot of these labs are starting to go away from hiring outside couriers, outside drivers, and bringing in everybody themselves, hiring within employees and contractors directly. So contact them, try to get some business. But let's see how we can get rolling with Guardian. But first, we got to see where they are. Let's see if it's even worth going through the process. So you see they got places in LA, Vegas, Texas, Atlanta, Florida, all on the East Coast, Boston, Washington, D.C. All right, so you come to careers and you can go to browse openings, join a mission today. We got all the places, and then like I said again, you can see all the places, and you can see the names directly of each satellite office in each city. So sometimes they name something else, like right here, this name Midwest LTC. Up in Iowa, it's named Right Dose. In Tennessee, it's MTPS. But you got to kind of feel, and each city has a radius of where they work out of. So like I said, we got California, no Oregon, and no New York. We're pretty much all the other states. We are up through there. All right. So once you go to careers, it comes to the second page here, which you can see. So I got one of the positions pulled up right here, a driver in East Tennessee, delivery drivers. But if you are in the pharmacy industry, you want to be a pharmacy technician, they got position for those as well. But you guys come here for the driving positions. So let's talk about the driving positions, okay? All right, so East Tennessee. Must be 21, 2 years older experience. You know, if you drove an Uber, DoorDash, you got the experience. Don't let that delay you from applying for this. Look like you are actually going to be full-time W-2 employees with this one. So they're going to give you benefits and everything and all that good stuff. But you know, of course, they don't have all the pay information on here. So we got to go to Indeed. Yes, Indeed. We're going to go to Indeed.com and see what's up with Guardian and, you know, what their pay structure here, folks. So we got couriers. We got some people rewarding careers. Average salary for a courier is $14 an hour and up to 21. Now, I'm not sure if this is the average for this company or this is the average for the nationwide. They don't directly say how much they're paying. You get a rough estimate, some things, get some reviews. Nice to work, courier. Predictive fun every Wednesday and Saturday. You know, pretty good reviews. Let's see what the nighttime courier. So we got some details on that one. Nighttime courier, 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. No pay, nothing about how much they're paying, nothing about how much they're paying. Part-time weekends. Here's one, 16 to 18 an hour. 16 to 18 an hour. 18 an hour ain't too bad, ain't too much, depending on where you living. In a major city, that's not much, but in Brunswick, what's that, Massachusetts? Not sure how much that is. And we got some other things. So you see how much they are. It's pretty much part-time work, full-time work as well. 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. That's a full-time schedule there. There's 12-hour shifts, 7 to 1:30 p.m. So they got all kind of shifts, all kind of hours, pay ranging from like 15 to 18, what I'm seeing right now. Haven't seen anything higher than 18. And they got some lower pay in some other states. So if that's something you want to do, something you want to get your hand in the medical courier field, then here you go. But I'm going to tell you a secret. Companies like this, what they do not show on these. So these are guaranteed full-time routes you can get driving for them, but they also do stat work, which they don't necessarily post all the time, because since it's stat is, one-offs whenever they get something, whenever they need something delivered real quick. And those orders always pay a lot more. Stat orders pay up to $100, $80 just for one delivery. So you can add those in on top of your regular salary with these companies. So if you see that low pay, you say, man, that's not enough for me. It's not even worth my time. Still apply, still contact the company and see if they got stat deliveries, see if they have different type of deliveries that they're not just advertising for that pay more. And that way you can increase your pay and boss up. All right. All right. So we're not going to talk too long for this. You see everything we got going on with Guardian. You come to ND, you can apply directly, or you can go, like I said, to their website, guardianpharmacy.com. Link down in the description for you guys. Nationwide courier, pretty much all the states covered. And just like just because they're not in your state right now doesn't mean they could be coming. They could be in the talks of buying out another local pharmacy and expanding. So contact them, say, hey, I'm in, North California, or I'm in Nevada or Colorado, and I want to get started working with you guys. And you thinking about coming into my state, thinking about coming to my city anytime soon. I'd like to, be a part of the pilot, help you just get things rolling. That's how you start a business. That's how you get new opportunities thrown your way, by actually going out, presenting yourself, thinking outside the box, not just putting your name in on applications and keep your fingers crossed that you get hired. Actually contacting them and showing your effort, showing your tenacity, showing that you have the drive to get these jobs and get this money. All right, you did. Let's go, man. Boss up, boss up. Until next time, we out.
Pyrex Mozart in the kitchen.